Extra veggies and generous amount of lemon flavor keeps this family-friendly casserole fresh. Hello my dear friends, let's make something very fancy from very simple products you always have in your kitchen. How many times you had a chicken leftovers or rice leftovers and you didn't know what to do with it? You just throw it away. Don't do it anymore. Let's make some fancy dish from very simple product. You should start by boiling your rice. How to properly boil your rice you can see on this link. And without further ado, let's go! Coat a large non-stick skillet with the olive oil. Heat the skillet over medium heat. Add your chopped leeks, carrots and garlic. Cook your vegetables for 6 minutes or until tender. Place milk and flour in a little bowl. Whisk it until combined. Add milk mixture and chicken broth to your skillet. Cook and stir until slightly thickened and bubbly. Whisk in cream cheese until melted. Stir in lemon zest and lemon juice. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Spoon rice into a 2-quart baking dish. Pour cream cheese sauce over rice. Pull apart chicken into large chunks. Arrange chicken on rice, gently pressing in pieces. In a small bowl, melt butter in microwave and breadcrumbs. Sprinkle over casserole. Bake in 180 degrees Celsius oven for 15 minutes or until golden brown. To serve, sprinkle with fresh parsley and lemon zest if you wish. Now enjoy your beautiful casserole.
Wow!